As I mentioned in the previous video, we have a TC Harrison's Ford show and my car is part of it, so let's go. I was greeted with the TC Harrison's car show goodie bag and a number. My car is still looking clean and fresh. We did do a little bit of detailing before we left. And I knew this was going to be a good turnout because it usually is. We did have to be there at 8 a.m. to park the car, so we did decide to go look around before the show actually opens. I said to my boyfriend that he needs do not touch because everyone keeps touching his carbon bonnet. Also, I didn't know I wanted this for my car, but seeing this, I think I want this for my car. We did leave my car in the car show and we decided to go for breakfast, but because we were in Tesco's, Hot Wheels were calling my name. Unfortunately, there wasn't a lot to look through, but there were a lot of cars, but nothing good. It is what it is. We haven't had a good hunt in a while, so I didn't expect great things, but it is what it is. After we got our breakfast, we decided to go back. After the car show, we still had a lot of daylight left, so we decided to go to Springfield. I did find this in a sweet store, which was pretty cool. It was literally the last one left, so I grabbed it. We also decided to go B&M, and B&M had a lot of Hot Wheels. Doesn't mean they were good, but they had a lot. I don't know why they do it so high up, since people like me can't reach it. I low-key really liked the color shifter, but I didn't get it, and this was also kind of cool.